Are you in the midst of a kitchen renovation or simply looking to upgrade your countertop sink? Choosing the perfect sink for your countertop is an essential decision that impacts both functionality and aesthetics. Today, we'll explore a range of options available at KB Countertops to help you make the best choice for your kitchen. Let's begin with one of the favorites among homeowners, the KBFC 103 White Fire Clay Farmhouse Sink. This classic choice exudes charm and pairs beautifully with granite and quartz countertops. Its timeless design adds elegance to your kitchen, and its white finish complements various color schemes. For those seeking durability and contemporary style, the white granite composite sink, KB100, stands out. Its beige counterpart, KB100 Beige Granite Composite Sink, offers a warm and inviting look. These granite composite sinks are known for their resilience and scratch resistance. They're perfect for high-traffic kitchens. If you prefer a concrete appearance in your sink, the KB100 Concrete Granite Composite Sink and KB100 Mocha Granite Composite Sink might be your top choices. These mocha-toned sinks create a unique focal point, and their granite composite material ensures long-lasting performance. Moving on to our KB175 series, we offer Alpina, Beige, Onyx, and Concrete Granite Composite Sinks. The Alpina Granite Composite Sink lends a bright, elegant vibe, while the black KB175 Onyx Granite Composite Sink brings a touch of sophistication. All these options are designed for both functionality and style. Do you need a single or double bowl sink for your kitchen? The KBH A104R0 Single Bowl Kitchen Sink and KBH A108R0 Single Bowl Kitchen Sink are undermount options that provide efficient space utilization. If you prefer a double sink, our KBH A120R0 Double Bowl Kitchen Sink and KBH A126R0 Double Bowl Kitchen Sink offer ample room for dishwashing. When stainless steel is your material of choice, the KBH A124R0 Single Bowl Kitchen Sink and KBH A125R0 Double Bowl Kitchen Sink are here for you. These undermount sinks provide a sleek and modern look, fitting well with granite and quartz countertops. For the classic elegance of porcelain, we have the KB1714 Porcelain Vanity Sink, PL1613 Porcelain Vanity Sink, and KB1512 Porcelain Vanity Sink. White porcelain options such as the KB1813 Porcelain Sink are timeless, while the KB1611 Porcelain Sink delivers the charm of a porcelain farmhouse sink. KB Countertops offers an extensive selection of sinks to fit your countertop and kitchen style. Whether you're seeking durability, aesthetics, or both, our range has something to offer. So take your time in selecting the perfect sink to complement your countertop. We're here to help you make the right choice. Visit us today to explore our extensive collection of sinks and other kitchen essentials. Elevate your kitchen with KB Countertops. Choose from a wide range of elegant sink options and find the perfect match for your countertop. Subscribe to KB Countertop channel for more kitchen inspiration and renovation tips.